As the nation honors the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., NASW remembers the many social workers who participated in the civil rights movement, such as social work pioneers Dorothy Height and former NASW president and civil rights icon Whitney M. Young Jr., standing here next to King. Both worked with the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and others to organize the March on Washington for Jobs and Freedom in the early 1960s. NASW members took part in civil rights protests and actions, sponsored workshops on how to improve social work practice with people of color, and surveyed discriminatory practice in social welfare agencies. When public welfare programs in some states refused to address the needs of clients who were African American or offered services to people of color that were restrictive or punitive, Esther Lazarus, director of public welfare in Baltimore, was one of the first social workers to publicly denounce such restrictive measures. Kurt Reichert, left, president of NASW from 63 to 65, also spoke in favor of NASW taking action on civil rights during this period. By July of 1963, NASW made civil rights its #1 priority. It also consulted with nationally recognized Black social workers, including Naomi Gray of Planned Parenthood, John Turner of Case Western Reserve University, and Nelson Jackson of the National Urban League on its civil rights strategies. On participating in the March on Washington, NASW charter member John Jack Hansen told NPR, "We had to get rid of this, I don't know how you would say it, this discrimination that was so prevalent in communities like our education system, our churches. So participating in the march was like climbing a mountain, and for us, we wanted to be on the top." NASW wishes you a pleasant Martin Luther King Day. Created with work by NASW's archives and Getty Images, narrated by Aaliyah Wright. For more important events in NASW's history, visit our interactive timeline at socialworkers.org and click on the News and Facts page.